dear! Today is the last Facebook Live show in this space. I feel upset now. When I realize I don't need to write a script anymore, I feel excited. Upset, happy. My mood swings too much. The temperature of container changed greatly as my emotion during the shipping period. Will that affect the lock performance? This is the temperature test machine.
Hello there.
We will put the lock inside and test at 7 degrees centigrade for 8 hours. This is text under minus 20 degrees centigrade. If you want to know more about our temperature text, please come to our website here. Or you can go to our Facebook to leave your message to us. We will come to you in a flash speed.